just watching this idiot driver ahead of me. This video lesson will teach you how to drive and how not to drive. This idiot overtook me when we had the solid yellow lines, and he had to cut in front of me to avoid a head-on collision. Now, if I sped up at that point, there would be a super big collision. Look at him again. He's in such a hurry. Wow. No wonder there's so many deaths on the roads, because you have all these idiots driving cars and they don't know how to drive, and that's it. They have a license, but they don't know how to drive. So
just keep.
So the speed limit here, back there it's 70, but here it says 60, and you can see the construction sign, and you see the man with the shovel, and it's now 60. It's no longer 80. But this is 6:20 in the evening, and we're in Canada, and the workmen are gone home, so basically you can drive a little bit faster than 60. See these pylons on both sides of the roadway. Okay, ahead we're making a left turn, and at the moment it just turned green. So we have one lane going straight, and this is the left turn lane. So I signal, check my shoulder, then get into the left turn lane, cancel the signal, and then reapply it. Because having it on, it could mean that I'm turning into the gas station. I try to get down to about 25 to 30 kilometers an hour to make the left turn. As soon as I straighten the wheel, then I accelerate, and the speed here is 40, as you can see. Now the next street ahead, it's gonna be a left turn. Signal left. So we have the double yellow lines, and it's safe to make the turn, so I make the left turn here at 20. Could go up to 35, but I did that at 20. Okay, at the stop sign, it's gonna be a right turn. So I signal from about here, and it's a right turn, so I hug the curb and end up before the sidewalk. Check to the left and right, and it's good. So I complete the turn. And it's a maximum 40 here. It's a residential area, but it says maximum 40. So I'm doing like 38 at the moment. And make sure I check like crazy, because you know you have kids like to run right across the road, and it would not be nice if you hit some little kid. So you just take your time. Not because it says 40, it doesn't mean that you have to drive at 40. There's no rush, and there's no one behind me to say, oh yeah, I have to drive at 40. So just take your time. Okay, it's a left turn at the stop sign here. Signal left, and we've got a crosswalk.